Especially the floor too. It's getting messed up.
Oh yeah, whatever. I don't care about that. Not my fault. Is there a specific part I have to eat? Like in here?
I would eat towards the bottom.
Towards the bottom? Like Dave?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. What the fuck should you put in here?
Is it roofies?
Oh, there's something at the bottom.
We don't know.
I'm not. Who's gonna eat this pie after I've stuck my finger in it?
The scoundrels downstairs.
Eat your way to the truth.
Eat your way, yes. Eat your way to Christmas, Jess.
Your way to Hi, Sean.
Hi guys.
Sorry, my friend stopped by. There's something down there.
I would suggest just dig it.
Yeah.
There's no way you have the eating power to make this.
No, absolutely not.
It's a sad thing. If my grandpa saw this, he'd fucking shoot you.
I know. What the hell? Like, this is a good waste of a pie.
Not really. You could still eat it
It's
afterwards.
still basically pie.
It's yucky.
It's just pie.
It's just pie.
You've been putting it in your mouth.
Poor pie. Poor table. The hell? Huh? Anybody want some pie? I don't think I can even. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just go.
Merry Christmas, guys.
Merry Christmas, Sean. What the hell? Really? Center in the square?
I couldn't get tickets to Massey Hall.
Where's this?
Kitchener.
Kitchener? Get out of here!
With 3 other tickets. We're going with you.
Nice!